Hi everyone, that's DidyToys channel, and today I want to show you how to crochet this adorable bag for a toy. It's super cute and it's very easy and fast to crochet, so it's perfect for a beginner. Last time I made an overview on the bunny button. If you haven't seen the video yet, I'll leave a card with the link somewhere here. Let's look at the materials and tools you're going to need. I'll use a semi-cotton yarn, white color, and 2mm crochet hook, scissors to cut the tails, and a sewing needle to weave them in. I also use a piece of ribbon to decorate the bag with a bow, and a piece of thread instead of a stitch marker. That's it, we can start crocheting. I'll start crocheting by magic circle, and I'll crochet 6 half double crochets into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now pull the tail to tighten the ring. The first round is ready. I'll mark the rounds beginning. And now I'll crochet the second round, which is 6 increases. That means you need to crochet 2 half double crochets in each stitch around. So that's the first increase, 1, and the second half double crochet into the same stitch. Now the second increase, 1, 2, increase number 3, 1, and 2 into the same stitch. Increase number 4, 1, and the second one into the same stitch. Increase number 5, 1, 2 into the same stitch. And the last increase for the round, which is number 6, 1, and the second half double crochet into the same stitch. So the second round is ready and you should have 12 stitches in total. Now I'll make 12 increases in total, which means I'll need to crochet 2 half double crochets in each stitch around again. So we crochet the first increase, 1, and the second one into the same stitch. Now the second increase, 1, 2 into the same stitch. Increase number 3, 1, and 2 into the same stitch. Increase number 4, 1, 2, increase number 5, 1, 2 into the same stitch. Increase number 6, 1, 2 into the same stitch. Increase number 7, 1, 2 into the same stitch. Increase number 8, 1, 2. Increase number 9, 1, 2. Increase number 10, 1, 2, 11, 1, and 2 into the same stitch. And the last increase for the round, which is number 12, 1 and the second one into the same stitch. The third round is ready and you should have 24 stitches in total. I mark the rounds beginning as always, and I'll crochet 12 increases in a round again. That means I need to crochet a half double crochet followed by an increase 12 times. So first a half double crochet, then an increase, 1 and 2 into the same stitch. Now a half double crochet again, and an increase, 1, 2 into the same stitch. a half double crochet and increase, 1, 2, 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 a half double crochet and increase, 1, 2 into the same stitch, a half double crochet and increase, 1, 2, a half double crochet again and increase again, 1, 2, a half double crochet and increase, 1, 2 into the same stitch, and one more time a half double crochet and the final increase for the round and the second one into the same stitch. So the round is ready and you should have 36 stitches in total. We need to crochet one more round. Again, I'll make 12 increases and this time I'll crochet 2 half double crochets followed by an increase 12 times. So first we crochet 2 half double crochets, 1, 2, now the first increase, 1, 2 into the same stitch, 2 half double crochets again, 1, 2, and the second increase, 1, 2 into the same stitch, 2 half double crochets again, 1, 2, and an increase, 1, and the second one into the same stitch, 2 half double crochets again, 1, 2, and an increase, 1 and 2 into the same stitch. Now 2 half double crochets, 1 and the second one, and increase, 1, 2 into the same stitch, 2 half double crochets, 1, 2, and increase, 1, 2 into the same stitch, 2 half double crochets again, 1 and 2, now an increase, 1 and 2 into the same stitch, again 2 half double crochets, 1 and 2, an increase, 1, 2, 2 half double crochets, 1, 2, and increase, 1, 2 into the same stitch, 2 half double crochets, 1, 2, and increase, 1, 2 into the same stitch, 2 half double crochets, 1, 2, and increase, the second half double crochet into the same stitch, and the last time 2 half double crochets, 1, 2, and the final increase, 1 and the second half double crochet into the same stitch. So the round is ready. You should have 48 stitches in total, and actually that's the last round for the first part. Now we need to make this edge a bit more flat, That is why I'll crochet a single crochet and a slip stitch. That's it. The first side of the bag is ready. We can remove the marker. And now we cut the thread and pull it through the loop to fasten. So, as I said, that's the first part, the first side of the bag, and it's ready. Now we need to crochet the second one following the same pattern. But when you finish crocheting the second part, you don't need to cut the thread because we are going to use it to connect the two parts together. So, I finished crocheting the second part. Now we need to connect them. We need to crochet through the stitches of both of them together. So I insert the hook through the stitch of the second part, and after that I insert the hook through the stitch of the first part. And I also fasten the tail in the process. So we crochet a single crochet in each stitch around. And now the second one, 2, 3, 4. So that's 10 single crochets. I believe we need to crochet about 30 single crochets connecting the edges, and I'll skip a bit and meet you when I've finished. So I've crocheted 30 stitches in total, connected the edges together, and that's enough for me, but you can make more stitches or less depending on the size of the hole you want to have. Actually, the bag itself is ready, and now we need to crochet this strap. For that, I'll insert the hook into the same stitch, grab the thread and pull it, making the second loop. Now I'll leave just one loop on my hook and I'll make a chain. Now I insert the hook into the second loop and make a chain again. So again, you have 2 loops on your hook, then you need to leave just one of them and make a chain. Then insert the hook into the second loop and make one more chain. You need to continue crocheting till you get the desired length. And I'm going to skip a bit and meet you when I finish crocheting this strap. I made quite a long strap, so it's suitable for my bunny, and now I'll just crochet through both of these loops to make one. Now I cut the thread, leaving a tail for sewing, and pull it through the loop to fasten. Now I'll use a sewing needle and I will sew the second part of the strap to the back. I've already sewn this strap to the back, but unfortunately I didn't realize that I didn't switch on my camera. So you need just to sew the strap to the back and it should look like that. And actually the back is ready. Now I'll just decorate it with a ribbon bow. The bow is ready and I want to heat seal the edges before gluing it to the bag. Now you need just to attach the bow to the bag. You can either sew it or glue it using a transparent glue. I'll use a glue gun. The bag is ready. Hope you've enjoyed crocheting with me. Follow DidyToys for more amigurumi tutorials and crochet hacks. Thanks for watching and see you!